everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. It's scorching hot here today. I think it's got up to about 33 degrees today, and yeah, very hot. Anyways, I wanted to share a little craft with you. I came up with these cupcake cards that I made. I drew out a cupcake template here. I'll show you here. Just kind of drew the cupcake shape, and then when I put it on a piece of paper with the fold here so that it could open up like this, and so you've got the top of the cupcake and then the bottom, and I cut a separate little piece for the template of the bottom of the cupcake that you could add later. So yeah, it was really simple. There's lots of cupcake drawings or templates on Pinterest if you're not, comfortable with just drawing one out yourself. But you could adjust something on there if that works for you. So I'll show you the ones that I came up with. This first one here is done with this pink kind of diamond shaped paper, and then for the bottom of the cupcake I used some darker pink with bigger diamonds. I cut out little pieces to go along kind of between the top of the cupcake and the liner part, just for some decoration. And I used my fancy scissors for those. If you have some, well, first I'll show you how this opens here like this. And then the back on this one is just a plain white, but the other ones have patterns on the back. And I use scissors, I don't know if you have these kind of scissors, but with the different edges. This one's the Fisker's wave design on that one. And this one is one I really like. It's a Victorian cut, and it makes a really kind of pretty fancy edge on here that you can see. So that was the first one. Then I did some out of this pretty paper here with kind of peach flowers on it, and then the bottom has some kind of polka dots. I added a little, another fancy paper on there for the line between, and then blinged it up with some of the gemstones, added a little flower on there, and it's ready to use. In the back, this one I actually did the back too, a little extra on this one. So I think it turned out cute. Here's another one with polka dots and some pretty kind of shades of pink on there. Different little bits on here. Another, use my fancy scissors again on there. The little bow. And then this one, the back is the polka dot paper. And then here's one. The pink, kind of swirly with design with white on it. I think this was from some shabby chic paper that I had. And it's really pretty. And this one actually, yeah, it's a double-sided for this one. So it's got a pretty pattern inside as well, and the back as well. So I thought that was really nice. Just blinged it up with some flowers and little bits there. And then the last one I did is using that blooming spring paper again here, and this time I added just some gold pattern on the bottom and some little popped up butterfly on there. And that's the back of that one. I thought they would turn out really cute, and you could, send them to your friends or use them in your Happy Mail, or, share them however you like. And they were really easy to do. So I thought I would share that with you today. And you can just use, paper scraps for a lot of these because they don't take up that much paper. Use your small paper pads if you have those. But yeah, I hope you give them a try, and hope you enjoyed it. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.